already covered Chain Butter by Bike Hardcore. The second thing that I want to talk about is their chain and gear. This stuff is legit. It's super good at cleaning your drivetrain, your chain, your cassette, front chain rings, everything. As you can see, my cassette's pretty dirty, my chain's pretty dirty. I mean, this is about a week worth of riding. I keep it relatively clean. A clean bike is a fast bike. But let's walk through how to apply this stuff. Basically, you take it, and what I do simple is I will take the chain gear and I will just spray a decent amount onto my cassette. And then what you do is once you spray it on, you want to let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then I go over to my bike and I do the same thing. I get the front chain ring really nice and sprayed up with this. I spray the chain going back. I spray the derailleur pulleys, the jockey wheels, and then I make sure to get the chain all over again, and then I come back and finish off on the front chain ring. Then I let that sit. Then I move back over to my bike or my cassette with a brush and just kind of give it a good scrub, and then just hose it off, and look at all that junk just come off that cassette. So much grease and buildup and road grime coming off. But it's super simple, and honestly that's how the chain gear works. Then I go back to the bike after it sat for a while, do the same thing, work on all the chain rings, work through the entire chain, work my way to the back pulleys and try to get into the hard crevices and get all that situated and cleaned off too. And then when I'm done with that, the exact same thing, just hose it down, and then you'll just see all this gunk and nastiness coming off of your chain and your chain rings, your pulleys, like everything. Just get it nice and hosed off. And then usually what I do is I let it all dry up. Well, actually I wash the rest of the bike after this, let it all dry up. But here's the cassette completely clean afterwards. It looks almost brand new. And then here's everything put back together. This is gonna be the chain and just everything. I mean, look at that. It looks practically brand new. Like, I am blown away at how well this chain and gear works. Like, it is amazing. And then of course you just throw some chain butter on there and your chain is buttery smooth. But again, this is the Bike Hardcore chain and gear. It's a really safe alternative for a degreaser. It just gets, it works extremely well. Highly suggest checking it out. 15% discount code down below. But yeah, get that drivetrain going nice and clean. I mean, look at that thing. It's beautiful. As always, don't forget to subscribe for support, and see you guys on the next video.